Hey traders, welcome back to the FX Heat YouTube channel. How is everyone? Did anyone catch any moves today? For me, I'm currently long, but just waiting for liquidity build up a little more and hopefully push a little higher. Anyways, let's get into the analysis. So going straight to EU, just gonna go back a little and explain a little better what's happened up to now. So last night we had that aggressive push up. You can see we've been very correctively coming back down. We tapped into this demand during Asia, and during the last video we started pushing up as we were approaching Frankfurt Open, came into supply, and right after that the trade for Frankfurt was actually short. Because what had happened is the price pushed down, tapped into the 4-hour demand right here, pushed away, came back, retested supply, and thereafter pushed back down into 15-minute demand. And ever since tapping 15-minute demand, you can see the order flow is gradually turning bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And just a moment back, we broke this supply, which is a good sign for me, because now I'm hoping that'll trigger a further move to the upside now. So let me just take all this stuff off. I'll explain a little the trade that I got into today. Somewhat of a risky trade. So what happened? Let me go down to 1 minute so it's a little easier to see. So price came down into 15-minute demand. It actually had a V-shaped recovery off of it. It broke the last point of supply. Came back down. There was a lower time frame flip zone down here, and actually it's right here. And I just set a buy stop right in the middle of the flip zone. Kept my stop wide just in case it came down and mitigated it a little lower. And this trade actually pushed up. I didn't take any profits off it, unfortunately, because eventually it came right back down. You can see it came right back down to my entry, and by this time I was already break even. So I didn't re-enter the trade. Sorry, I didn't remove my break even and just let the trade stop out. But what happened at this point, I saw that demand here was holding. We had another V-shaped recovery. It pushed up a little more. And then what I did when I saw that, there was a lower time frame demand about right here. I just set another entry with a buy stop just above that demand zone as price came back down. I kept my stop loss below the last low. And fortunately, price went right through my entry, tapped me in, went up, reacted off supply, came down. I was a little worried here when it broke that demand, but ultimately it came right back up. And then you can see it's just building liquidity now. I'm hoping that we get the next push to the upside, because ultimately now that we've come into this supply, what I would like to see is this high being broken, and then a push higher into the next level of supply, and this is where I have my next take profit. So hopefully it gets there before PMI, but if it doesn't, like I said before, I don't want to take too many risks today. I've had a relatively good week, so I'll just close everything out before PMI if it doesn't get to my targets. And that reminds me, just a reminder, we do have PMI 2 hours after New York Open, and you can expect a lot of volatility and probably liquidations to the upside and downside before the price moves in the direction that the CM wants to move the price. For now, my bias is still to the upside, but with PMI, honestly, anything can happen. You can come down deeper and then push up. Like I said, it can come down deeper, liquidate these lows, and then push up, or it could push up and then come right back down. Anyways, for now, I probably won't be entering any more trades. I'll just let my longs see if they go up and hit the targets or not. That's it for me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. And if you found value in this video, please like the video and leave a comment. I'll see you guys maybe this weekend. Maybe this weekend I'll do a weekend analysis. If not, I'll see you for London Open. Good luck trading today. Peace.